This section provides an explanation of the production module's functionality and outlines the implementation steps in the C Enterprise software system. A typical production facility is illustrated in the diagram shown on the screen. A production unit consists of multiple production or assembly lines labeled as Assembly Line 1, Assembly Line 2, and so on. Users are required to assign descriptive names to each assembly line that align with their specific industry requirements. An expanded view of the assembly line is as shown in the diagram. Each assembly line contains several work centers labeled as Work Center 1, Work Center 2, and so on. It's essential to assign names to these work centers that accurately reflect the specific processes and items produced within each. This approach ensures clarity and efficiency in managing production workflows. Similarly, each work center is equipped with different machines, labeled as Machine 1, Machine 2, and so on. It is important for users to provide precise and descriptive names for each machine to ensure clarity and alignment with the specific operations or functions performed by the equipment. This naming convention facilitates better identification, tracking, and management within the production process. Raw materials are supplied to the work centers, where subassemblies or semi-finished items or finished products are produced according to the specifications outlined in the Bill of Materials and Production Methods. In the chemical and pharmaceutical industries, finished products undergo various processes, with each production process taking place in reactors. In C Enterprise, each reactor is treated as a machine and is located within a work center. Therefore, it is essential to create and configure these machines within the system before setting up the production module. In this section, we will see how to create a machine. Before creating a machine, we first need to create a machine class to group similar machines. Machine class is used to categorize and identify machines with similar functionalities. To create a machine class, navigate to the Machine Maintenance module. Select the menu option Machine Class. Enter the class code and class name, then click Save. Ensure the names are appropriate and relevant to the industry. If the machine is associated with tools or molds, create a tool class and attach it to the machine class. To configure a new machine, navigate to the Machine Number menu option, where a list of all plants will be displayed. Select the desired plant, and a screen for entering machine details will appear. Choose the machine class, and a list of machines available in the selected plant will be shown. Add a new machine number and name. An asset key will be automatically generated and assigned to the machine for asset management purposes, although this aspect is not covered in this section. Multiple machines have been created and identified by their numbers, with their functionality defined by their class names. However, the exact location of each machine has not yet been specified. This can be addressed by creating work centers and attaching the machines to them. In C Enterprise, production occurs in a work center equipped for manufacturing specific items, with each work center containing one or more machines to produce an item. To create a work center, navigate to the Work Center Class menu option. Enter a code and name for the class. Click the Add button to assign the required machine classes to the Work Center class, then save the entry. Next, create a work center number by navigating to the Work Center Number menu option. A list of work center class names will be displayed on the screen. Select the appropriate Work Center class from the list and click the Work Center Number button located on the right side of the screen for each class name. This will display a list of all Work Center numbers created for the selected Work Center class. Click the Plus button to add a new Work Center number. Enter the number and name, select the machine numbers for each class, and click the Save button. With these steps, the Work Center for production is successfully created and the machines are attached to the production center. During production, the Work Center number where the item is produced must be entered for each work order. This allows C Enterprise to identify the specific machine used for manufacturing the item within a production order.